9 areas of improvement, best strategies for identifying and enhancing your strengths. Communication skills. Effective communication is foundational to success in life. It involves clear and confident expression to convey ideas, build relationships, and solve problems. Strategies to improve communication skills. Improve communication skills by practicing active listening, seeking feedback, and engaging in public speaking to build confidence and clarity. Time management. Time management is crucial for productivity and achieving a healthy work-life balance. It helps in prioritizing tasks, avoiding procrastination, and managing workload efficiently. Strategies to enhance time management. Enhance time management by prioritizing tasks using tools like the Eisenhower matrix, setting clear goals, and avoiding multitasking to improve efficiency. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, EI, involves understanding and managing your own emotions and those of others. High EI helps build strong interpersonal relationships. Strategies to boost emotional intelligence. Boost emotional intelligence by reflecting on your emotions, practicing empathy, and developing stress management techniques such as mindfulness. Technical skills. Staying updated with the latest technology and improving technical skills is essential for career advancement and personal productivity in the digital world. Strategies to improve technical skills. Improve technical skills through continuous learning, practical application in real-world scenarios, and networking with professional groups. Adaptability. Adaptability is the ability to adjust to new conditions and handle unexpected changes effectively. It is valuable in both personal and professional settings. Strategies to enhance adaptability. Enhance adaptability by embracing change as an opportunity for growth, learning new skills, and maintaining a positive attitude towards new experiences. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow us on social media platforms.